everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last some lectures, we started division, we learned the basics of division and some methods of divide like repeated subtraction or with the help of multiplication. Now we know the multiplication division cycle too, and we know the multiplication facts also. Now in this lecture we will learn a new method of division, that is called long division. So today we are going to learn long division method. Let's see what is the long division method and how to do it. So in long division method, you will see something like this. Here in this place we will write our dividend. In this place we will write our dividend. You know the terms used in division: dividend, divisor and quotient. Dividend, divisor and quotient. You are familiar with these terms. So if we divide by the long division method, then here in this place we will write dividend. In this place we will write divisor. In this place we will write divisor. And in this place we will write our quotient. Okay students, here dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. And after solving, at last we will get remainder. Okay students, here we will write dividend and here we will write divisor. Here quotient and at last we will get the remainder. Okay students, so let's see how we will get all this dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. For this, let's take an example. Let's take an example. By 2. See, this 248 is our dividend and this is our divisor. So, in this place we write dividend. So, here we will write 248. In this place we write divisor. So, here our divisor is 2. So, we will write 2. So after or while dividing we will get quotient, that we will write here and here we will solve. So this is hundreds place, tens place and ones place. All of you are aware of hundred, tens and ones. So while dividing we will always start from the hundreds place. Now we will not start from the ones place. We remember we will start from the hundreds place. Okay students, so first of all, we will arrange the numbers. See, we have arranged dividend and divisor. Both the numbers we have arranged. Now the next step is we will start dividing with hundreds digit. Here hundreds digit is 2. So let's start our division process. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. If we divide 2 by 2, we will get 1. So 2 ones are 2. Now we will subtract this 2 from this hundreds place. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we will write 0. Now the next number we will write as it is. We are done with hundreds place. Now our next place is tens. So we will write this tens place number as it is. Now at tens place 4 is there. So we will write 4 as it is. Now we will divide this 4 by our by our divisor. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. How? 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now we will subtract this 4 from 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Again we got 0. So we will write 0. Now the next number we are done with tens place also. Now our next place is ones place. So we will deal with ones place. So we will bring down our next digit as it is. So our next digit is 8. So we will write 8. Now we need to divide this 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now any number left? No number is left. So no need to bring down any number. So we got the 0. So here we will stop our division process. So we started from the hundreds place, then tens, and then 0. Our dividend is 248, divisor 2, and we got 124 as quotient, and our remainder is 0. So this is how we'll divide by long division method. Okay students? So just be remember, here we will write dividend and here we will write divisor. Okay students? So let's start your books question or your books exercise. Still if you have any doubt, so in further questions you can clear your doubt. If you have any doubt, then don't worry. If you know the tables, then division is very simple for you. So students, we are going to start our exercise 5.3. Our exercise 5.3. Question number 1. 5.3. Question number 1 is solved by long division method. Solved by long division. Part A of question number 1 is 612 divided by 6. 612 divided by 6. So let's see once again how to solve by long division method. First of all, we will write dividend and divisor. So this is the place to write dividend. Our dividend is 612. So we'll write 612 here. Our divisor is 6. So we'll write 6 here. This is our hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Unlike other operations, in division we will always start from the highest place. Here highest place is 6. So we'll start from, here highest place is hundreds. So we'll start from hundreds. So 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay? 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6. So we had written 6 here. Now 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we will write 0. Now we bring down the next place digit. Next place digit is 1. So we had written 1 as it is. Now can we divide 1 by 6? No, we cannot divide. So we'll put a 0 for that. And then we'll bring down the next number 2. The next number is 2. So we had written 2. Now can we divide this 12 by 6? Yes, we can divide. How? How we know? Because we know the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 12 is there in the table of 6. So we can divide this now. So 6 2s are 12. So 12, 2 minus 2 and 1 minus 1. 12 minus 12 is 0. We got 0. Now we cannot further divide. So this is our remainder. Okay students? This is our quotient. Dividend is 612. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 102. And our remainder is 0. So this is how we can solve by long division method. If we cannot divide, like here, we cannot divide 1 by 6. So for that we put a 0 here in quotient's place and we bring down the next number. If we will face situation like this, if we cannot divide any number, then we'll put a 0 in quotient's place and we'll bring down the next number. So 612 divided by 6 is 102. So note down this, dear students. And once again, I am reminding you all, if you have not learned tables, then please learn tables. If you want to solve the division questions very quickly, then you will need table. You need to learn tables. So this long division method is also very easy. That repeated subtraction method is time taking. If you want to solve quickly, then you need to solve by long division method. Okay, I hope you have written down. If not, then you can pause the video and then write, or you can take the screenshot and write after the lecture. Okay, so question B is 369. Let me rub the question also. 369 divided by 3. Part B is 369 divided by 3. So let's solve this question by long division method. As we know that here we write the dividend. Here we write dividend. So our dividend is 369. Our divisor is 3. So here we will write 3. Now let's start our division process. Hundreds place, tens place and ones place. As we know that in the division process, we start from the highest place value, and here highest place is 100. So we will start from the hundreds place. Now 3 ones are 3. Here number 3 is there and 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here we will write 0. Now we will bring down the next number for further solving. So our next number is number 6. So we will bring down number 6. Now in the table of 3, 6 comes in 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So we will write 2 here. 3 2s are 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Now once again we will bring down the next number. The next number is 9. Now in the table of 3, 9 comes in 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Now no number is there to bring down. So here we will stop our division process. We got 0 here and no next number there is to bring down. So here we will stop our division process. So 369 divided divided by 3 is equals to 123 with remainder 0. Our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 123. Okay, so the next question, question C, 505 divided by 5. 505 divided by 5. Let's solve it. Once again, we know here we write dividend, here we write divisor and here quotient. So 505 divided by 5. Our dividend and divisors. 100, tens and ones, 3 places are there. In division, we start from highest place and here our highest place is 100. So we will start from the hundreds place. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next number. Next number is 0. 0 divided by any number gives 0. So we will write 0 here. Now again 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next number, that is 5. So 5 multiplied by 1, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Now no next number is there to bring down and we got 0 here. It means we need to stop our division process here. Our quotient is 101. 505 divided by 5 gives 101. So 505 was our dividend, 5 was divisor. We got 101 as quotient with remainder 0. Once again, let's revise. In the division process, unlike other operations, we'll start from highest place. Here highest place was hundreds. So we started from hundreds place. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we got 0. Our next step is to bring down the next place number. Here the next place number is 0. So we bring down 0 here. Now 5 into 0. Remember division property, any 0 divided by any number gives 0. So 0 divided by 5 gives 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next number. Our next number is 5. So we brought down 5 here. Now 5 ones are 5 once again. 5 minus 5 is 0. We got 0. No number is there to bring down and we got 0 as remainder 2. So here we'll stop our division process. 101 is our quotient with remainder 0. So students, note this down. Note down both the questions B and C. Note down both the questions B and C. I hope you have written down. If not, then you can take the screenshot or write after the lecture, or you can pause the video and then write. Now the next question, question D. Just be remember that multiplication divide cycle and tables 2. Now the next question is 842 divided by 2. Question D. 842 divided by 2. Now by the long division method. Here we will write dividend. So in this question our dividend is 842. So let's write 842 here. Our divisor is 2. So in the place of divisor we will write 2. Now the number is 3-digit number and the highest place is hundreds place. And unlike other operations, in division will start from the hundreds place. Now at hundreds place 8 is there. So in the table of 2, 8 comes in 4 times. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. We will write 0 here. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 4. Now in the table of 2, 4 comes in 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 2. In the table of 2, 2 comes in 1 time. 2 1s are 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now no number is there for bringing down and we got 0 is remainder. It means we are done with our division. So 842 divided by 2 is 421 with remainder 0. Okay students? Note this down. Or you can take a screenshot also. So students, this is all for today's lecture. We will meet next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye students.